This is my factory reset phone, and there are some apps that you can remove when you first get your phone. So press on one of the icons. Here's a list that I might delete. So I don't use weather app. Maybe delete the weather app. I don't really use reminders. Calendar is more what I use, so I can delete reminders. News I don't use. Stocks I don't use. Books I don't use, but those who read ebooks would keep this. Home I don't use. It won't even let me delete wallet. Let's go to the second page. Tips I don't need. Podcasts I don't need. Shortcuts I don't need. These are for basic users like me who don't use the phone much. And watch I would remove. Apple TV I'd keep because sometimes if you want to transfer videos to watch, you have to go through Apple TV, I believe. And so it really clears up the menu screen once I remove all that stuff. I could probably remove iTunes Store too, but most people use music, so you keep that. So it's not too bad. It's a little more less cumbersome once you remove these apps.